Got a good horn. Good tires. Jim's telling me it's a California truck. Which explains why it doesn't have that Iowa rust. He did say a flex pipe just broke on the darn thing the other day, and he's going to have that repaired prior to auction time. I just told him that flex pipe will be repaired. What kind of motor, Jim? One more time?
M11, 310 horsepower.
Got it, got it.
The ECM was redone not too long ago.
Okay. What tranny?
9-speed.
9-speed. Got her.
And it's air ride tractor, air seat, but no air cab.
Got it. Got it.
Yeah.
Yep. Got it. Yeah. Well, you can really tell that on the frame, can't you?
Los Angeles.